Alright guys, welcome to this page of the notes, and again, we're just going to continue with this theme of looking at how properties of exponents and logarithms apply in this section when dealing with the natural base e exponential and natural base e logarithmic function, which we call ln. I apologize, my spacing got a little weird on this one, so I'm just going to do this one off to the side over here. But here's my first exponential function. It is a natural base e exponential function. I'm going to have to solve this guy for x. So let's go ahead and see how this one's going to work. Now remember, when solving an equation, you have to do the reverse order of operations. So in the order of operations, addition and subtraction comes last. When solving, addition and subtraction will get moved first. Multiplication and division is second to last, but when solving, moving multiplication division would come after addition and subtraction. Then you take care of exponents and radicals and then things inside parentheses, stuff like that. So since I have a minus 5 and I'm solving, I got to move the 5 first. So I'll have 4e to the minus 2x is equal, add 5 to the other side, I get 8. Now that I've taken care of the addition and subtraction, next up is going to be multiplication and division. I have 4 multiplied by e to the negative 2x, so I'll divide 4 to the other side, and I get 2. Okay, well now I need to solve for x, and as promised, it'll show up in every section. Snail method. Snail method's going to help me solve this guy. So there we go. I use the snail method. I'm going to have the logarithm base e, which is ln. Logarithm base e is ln of 2. The logarithm base e, which is ln of 2, is equal to my exponent negative 2x. Get that x by itself by doing the ln of 2 divided by a negative 2. And if you use your calculator to do that, you should wind up with approximately negative 0. I got a calculator here, 346. So exact same stuff we've been doing in previous sections, just now we're going to do it for that natural base logarithm, and as always the snail method shows up and helps us figure out what that variable is. Let's go ahead and do this one. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and move the 3 right to the other side. Multiplication and division are taken care of first. So that's going to leave me with the ln of 4x is equal to 24 divided by 3 is going to be 8. Right? And then, right, I'm trying to solve for x. So, snail method. It's a base e, 8, around the equal sign. So my base is e. It's going to be e to the 8th power is equal to 4x. I need to get that x by itself. So I have to divide the 4 to the other side. X is equal to e to the 8th power divided by 4. And now's as good a time as any to talk about it. Again, on your calculator, they're so important. They show up so often. Your calculator will have a natural base exponential and a natural base logarithm button right on the calculator. There should be a button that says ln on it. Again, if you've got a TI-84 graphing calculator, it'll be on the left-hand side somewhere around about where the number 4 is. It'll be just off to the left of that. ln of 2, divide by a negative 2. Once you find that ln button, the base e, the natural base e exponential, will always be the second function of that ln button. So you should have a second button, probably blue or yellow on your calculator. Hit that blue or yellow second button, then hit ln. It'll drop a base e into your calculator, do e to the 8th divided by 4. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, you're all set. Got a couple more for you here. Let's fly through these. Again, got to take care of addition and subtraction first. So I'm going to have 3e to the 4x is equal to, I add 12 to the other side and we get 27. Then I got to divide the 3 to the other side. So e to the 4x is going to be equal to, 27 divided by 3 is 9. Snail method. Again, I say it high and slow like that because that's just how I picture a snail talking if they could talk. So we've got e to the 9th power is equal to 4x. Again, we got to get that x by itself. divide the 4 to the other side, e to the 9th is equal, or e to the 9th divided by 4. Again, just the second ln to the 9th power divided by 4. Your calculator will give you a decimal. If I did, it comes out to 0.549. All right, one last one here. We're just flying through these because, again, there's not really anything new here. 4e to the negative x is equal to 17 minus 8 is going to give me 9. Divide by 4, e to the negative x is equal to 9/4. Snail method. I wind up with e to the 9/4 power is equal to a negative x. Get that x by itself, move the negative to the other side. Sorry, I apologize for that bell. X, move the negative to the other side, so x will be equal to negative e raised to the 9/4 power. Again, you can put that into your calculator and you would do negative and then second ln to get the exponential raised to the 9/4 power, and if you do that, I get negative 0.811 as my answer. So again, like I said before, nothing new here as far as the algebra goes. It's the exact same properties of exponentials and logarithms as we've been doing all chapter. It's just now we're applying them to the natural base exponential function and the natural base logarithm ln. Guys, head on over to the next page of notes. We'll try a few more of these problems with inequalities. I'll meet you guys there.